Morning everyone, how are you? Who's that? Who's that? You ready for a different sort of a video? Join me to the side of the intro and let's get talking dogs. Hit it, maestro! A few people I'd like to introduce you to. I was trying to hold all three on my lap and that was not going to work. I've got three. So this is little Harley and he's the smallest of all, aren't you? And you're not going to look up, are you? Going to look up. Say hello. Hello everyone. And Harley is 3. He is, and he's a Havanese. Now I've had him cut short because I keep getting knotty. But yeah, but you're lovely, aren't you? You're a little monkey as well, aren't you? But you don't know what I'm doing, do you? You're like looking at me like I've gone out. Love you. Should we get your brother up? Should we get Jax? Shall I show you Jax? So this is Harley. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And this is Jax. What do they say? Don't work with children or animals. They say, go and say hello to everyone. Say, hello everyone. And Jax is actually Harley's brother. He's 3 as well. So they're twins. And they don't think alike, are you? You're cheeky, aren't you? But he's so lovable. He's like a cuddle monkey. He's like my little baby, aren't you? Oh, look at this. He's sort of, he doesn't know what's going on because they're not allowed in here because there's carpet and little dogs and carpet. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. And this is Logan, and he's like, Mum, why is there a big shining light? And why are you talking to something on a tripod? And Logan is 4.5, and he's such a good boy, aren't you? Aren't you a good boy? Hey, Logie, are you a good boy? You're a good boy. But Logie's not a cuddle monkey. He's quite independent, aren't you? Aren't you? What's that? Say hello. So now you've met them, shall we do the box swap? I'm all out of puff, they're heavy, and you know when they're only little dogs, I don't know how the others are going to do it. So today, it's a different sort of a video day. I'm not swapping my dogs, no. They don't molt. That's why I chose Havanese, they don't molt. So, Christy from Christy's Corner, she's actually set up this swap. And it's a dog swap box. And inside, oh crikey, I think it's about July. Was it June or July? You organised this, I can't remember now. And we had to put things in for the humans and things for the dogs. And there was a limit of how many things. I don't think there was a lot down there. I can't remember, it's been so long ago. And we all posted them out. Now, Christy, who organised it, she had me. And bless her, she sent these boxes. I think I got them back in July. And I haven't opened them yet. And like today is the 30th of October. But I wanted to make sure the dogs had just been to the groomers before they made their TV appearance. Dog owners, you understand. You're on the same wavelength, aren't you? So she sent this lovely box. And it's a big group of us. So I'll put the other videos down below if they send me out the links for you, so that you can have a look and see who I sent my box to and what I included for them. So lovely idea, isn't it? No one's ever done this before. So it's meant to be one box. These came and I thought, oh, I've got a Wizarding World and a Bibbidi Bobbidi box come. But she's used the boxes because they're really strong, sturdy boxes, which is a great idea, isn't it? So, box cutter, 2 boxes. It's only meant to be 1. 2 boxes. So, let me see how I'm going to get into them and where they're sellotaped. I'm not any good at opening these on a normal basis when it's just my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes stuff inside. Right, okay, so it must be here. I tell you what, this box cutter, it's the best thing ever. Best thing ever. Because otherwise, with scissors and that, and knives, people get really lethal, don't they? But I like this because I'm used to retail and I'm used to a box cutter. that's it. Right, so have I done it? Have I cut it all? So let's have a look what's inside this first one. Have I done it? Oh my word. I can't believe this. You didn't need to do this, Christy. I have 3 dogs, other people have 1, and I have 3, and she's put 3 of things in here, and I can't believe you've done that. That's so super kind. Okay, so I've got a letter, and it says on here, Karen, this box is for your wonderful pups. I couldn't fit everything in one box, so I'm sending your pups a box, you a box. I hope you love everything. Thank you so much for doing this box swap. Much love, Christy from Christy's Corner. So, oh, that's really lovely, isn't it? That's really lovely. I can't believe you've done this. I really can't believe you've done this. So I'll show you what she's given, and then somehow I'll show you with the dogs. Don't know quite how that's going to work out, but we'll figure that one out. So look. They will love this. I know they'll love these. Because look, bendy, squeakers. Oh my word, they will love these. Soft. And there's another one. Purple is Logan's colour. Sorry, purple is Jaxie's colour. His leash is purple. Green is Logan's colour. I'm having to think. And so this brown one will be Harley's. I can't believe you've done that. That is so super kind. And they would love these. Oh, so are these. Moderate heavy. For like, they're really sturdy. So they are absolutely going to love these. I'm quite excited about those. Oh wow. Oh wow. Some treats. So carrot chip, peanut and vanilla flavours. Oh, they love those. Some little biscuits. See, we don't have this brand over in the UK. Oh, they love these. Oh my word. I can't believe you can get... Are you a naughty dog, mummy? Do your doggies maybe have like a non-doggy biscuit? These actually look like cream adult biscuits, don't they? I'm laughing. These look like custard creams, which in England is like a shortbread biscuit with a, what's it, a creamy fondant but dry centre. Look at these, they're gonna love these. Chocolate and vanilla. Oh wow. Oh wow, those are fantastic. I've never seen those before. And they're fine. They're good for a year. They're good till November and December 2020. I was just looking, I was worried because I hadn't opened them. And she'd said to me there were treats. I hadn't got that for, oh my word. I can't believe he sent these. And then some chocolate chip cookies. See, the thing is, they're going to love these. And then I'm going to have to try and figure out how to get them, aren't I? Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, that's so lovely. Should we give them the toys? And then Blake will have the job of taking the tags off after. Shall we do that? Come on. Come on, up you come. I've got my little helper down here. Blake is off camera. Do you want to come on camera? No. Jax, what's this? Do you like that? Do you like that? Do you like that? You good boy. Go on then. Good boy. Because you're normally a monkey, aren't you? Which is really appropriate. You're the only one that's easy to lift. What's this? What's this? What's this? Do you like that? Do you like that? You love chewing on things, don't you? But scissors. Go on then. Good boy. That was so much fun. They're running around the living room now. That was so much fun. And those biscuits, I can't believe you sent those biscuits. They're beautiful. I just showed Blake and he said we should tell Savannah they're adult biscuits. You know I like to have a bit of a laugh. Right, so now this box is mine. I didn't need anything. I really can't believe you bought for all three. That's incredibly kind, incredibly kind. And I love those because the squeakers and the textured material and the rope to bite on. Yeah, they love those. They love those. Quite often overnight, even though they're not teething. I mean, they've all had the teeth for ages, but especially little Harley, he likes to like really go. How does he go, Karen? You say. Right. I'm opening this one. Oh, crikey. Oh my word, okay. This box is a parent part of the doggy swap. Thanks for participating in this swap. I hope you love everything. I included some snacks for you because it's only fair if your pups get snacks, so should you. Unless Savannah eats the dog snacks. We won't go there. So then, I included ears. I made these ears. I hope you like them. I also included a few up-themed items and pins. Oh, much love from Christy. I forgot to put these pup stockings in your pup box, so they are in yours. Okay. Oh my word. Oh, look at this. Oh, aren't those lovely? Oh, aren't those lovely? And to do 3 again. Oh, those are really cute. Now, all I've got to do is get them to sit still long enough and I can take a photo. Yeah, you're all going, yeah, that's not going to happen, is it? No. Right, so let's have a look. Oh, wow. Okay, my favourite ever thing. And and you know it says sharing. Well, whoever marketed these didn't really know me, did they? Thank you. I love. What else we got in here? Oh no. So we've had one that's melted a bit, but chocolate melting, it doesn't matter, does it? Because it all tastes the same. So we've got cookies and cream Hershey's bar. Nerds. I've never had any nerds. Some crunchiness. And then these, oh yeah, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm leaving all the things wrappage till last. Right, so this, oh, I'm going to do my ears first. Should I take my ears off? Looks like there's 2 pairs, not one. Right. Oh, those are clever. Scooby-Doo! I need my turquoise spirit jersey on, don't I? Aren't they lovely? Aren't they lovely? And she sent another pair. Can you believe this? Look, all wrapped up lovely in tissue. Oh, these are really clever, look. So, these are the Scooby-Doo with the print on the ears. And these are the one with the prints on the ears. And then you got the bow and the ears. Oh, aren't those clever? Oh, I love those. I love those. And they're really well made as well. Really well made. You're a superstar. There you go. I got my Scooby-Doo. So when I do anything now for dogs, I've got a choice of dog ears, haven't I? Yeah. And then there's still something else. What's in here? Oh. Oh, that's lovely. And I haven't got any of this. So I've got the Up House sticky notes, which I think I tried to buy these. And with, is it Hot Topic? These might have been Hot Topic. With Hot Topic or with the other one, Box Lunch. If you order anything, you can't get it shipped to England. Because my credit card and my PayPal have obviously both got my home address as England, I can't buy anything. They used to, but they changed the rules, and I really kind of went crazy. So the fact I've got them and I couldn't get them, I really love those. So thank you so much. And it's the notes. And I write notes all the time, so aren't those beautiful? Got those. Then there's the Dalmatians. Look at this, the little Dalmatians pin. Oh, isn't that lovely? Look at that, sleeping. swap, dogs. And I haven't got this one either. The dog pin for my up board. That's beautiful. And then, oh wow. This looks a bit like my dogs, doesn't it really? Look at that. Oh, look at that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and their dad. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I am not having 7 dogs. I could not cope with 7 or 8 dogs. Oh, I love that. Ironically, our back door key, the keychain's just broke, so I'll put that on there. That's beautiful. With the tongues out. Thank you. I love that. Thanks so much, Christy. I'll link Christy's channels and all the other channels down below. Go and check her out. Go and check the others out. Watch all the videos. It's such a really kind group of people that have done this, ladies and fellas. So yes, go and check everybody out. And thank you. Really love this. Hope you enjoyed it too. Something different out, and you met new members of my family. Only because they've been groomed and brushed. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe at the end of the video and the notification bell. YouTube are messing up the algorithms, so if you click notification, at least then you get an email. And if you want to watch Fab, and if you don't watch, it doesn't matter at all, but at least you know. There's nothing worse than missing a video. So if you're new from one of the other channels, thanks so much. And if you'd like to stick around, please hit the subscribe button. But be good, be kind. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.